How to browse the internet anonymously with the Incognito tab on Google Nexus 5. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key and launch the internet browser. From here, tap on the menu key from the pop-up, choose New Incognito tab. And you can see you're going into Incognito by having a logo or this icon at the top here. It shows that you are now browsing privately. So with this icon here, it shows that you are browsing privately. And when you surf the internet, all the information such as cookies will not be saved. Now after you have finished, you can simply close this tab by swiping down the notification bar and tap on Chrome, close all Incognito tabs. And you will be returned back to the normal mode. Tap on the home key to finish. Thank you for watching this video.